Hello, Mark. It's nice to finally meet you outside of work.
Hi, David. Yes, it's great to see you too. How do you like the new job so far?
It's been good. The team is friendly, but it's a bit hard to get to know everyone, since I'm still new.
I understand. When I started, I felt the same way. Joining team activities or team lunches can help break the ice. It's a good way to connect with others and make friends.
That's a good idea. I'm thinking about going to the next team lunch. I hope that will help me meet more people.
Definitely. Also, don't be afraid to ask for help or talk about things you like. It makes it easier to connect with others.
Thanks for the tips, Mark. I'll keep that in mind.
You're welcome, David. I'm sure you'll do great. If you need more advice or want to have coffee sometime, just let me know.
That sounds good. Thanks a lot.